The next step, adjusting journal entry number 2, record 1 month of insurance expense. So notice we have prepaid insurance of $2,400, but the question is, how many months did we purchase? So one way to find out, probably the easiest way, is to open up our chart of accounts, find prepaid insurance. Here's our balance of $2,400. We double click it. Notice we made a purchase on February 1st, and it is now the end of February, so we have to show that 1 month's worth of insurance has been used up. So we're going to right click on the transaction, click Edit Bill, and notice it says we paid for 1 year of prepaid insurance. So we're going to take $2,400 divided by 12 months gives us $200 per month. So I'm going to save and close to close this. I'm also going to close this. And now we need to make the general journal entry. So to see that window again, you go to Company, Make General Journal Entries. And now I don't want to see this notification reminding us that this entry number will automatically increment to the next number. So I'm going to say, don't bug me anymore. And then I'm going to close this. Now I'm going to click the back button to show you the previous transaction we did. So if your window looks like this, you do not want to enter the next transaction here. You want to do a new window. So you can click on New, and notice it's AJE2. So QuickBooks is smart enough to know that since the last one we did was AJE1, Adjusting Journal Entry 1, it auto increments this one to AJE2. And we still want the Adjusting Entry box checked. And now we need to lower our prepaid insurance account. So here's my screenshot of the trial balance. So it looks like prepaid insurance is a debit. So if I'm going to lower this account, how do I lower a debit account? I need to credit it. So I'm going to skip the debit line and go to the second line because that's the credit. Prepaid insurance, I'm going to lower it by $200. And that means I need a $200 debit. So what type of an expense would show that we've used up insurance? That would be insurance expense, account number 6200. Just going to click on that. And now the next thing that we need is an explanation. So we're going to say to record 1 month's of insurance expense, and then we put our calculation, $2,400 divided by 12 months equals $200 per month. I'm going to save and close. And notice our prepaid insurance account here on the chart of accounts is now $2,200. And if I click on the trial balance, make sure you refresh your trial balance, and it now says $2,200, whereas the screenshot of what it looked like before, it was $2,400, and now it's $2,200. And we can also see that we have insurance expense down here of $200. And if we open up our chart of accounts, one more thing I want to show you. If we double click on prepaid insurance, we'll get to the register, and we'll see that here was our original purchase, $2,400, and then where we lowered it is right here, $200. Notice this column says decrease, and this column says increase. So when we purchased it, it increased the account according to the register, and when we adjusted it downwards. Now if I wanted to see the journal entry, I could right click here and say edit general journal, and it takes us right to that journal entry. And that's it.